In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Fitbit Sense 2. So to do that, we're going to simply swipe from up to down like this and click on this settings icon on the right side here. Okay, and then basically scroll almost all the way down till it says about Sense 2 here. Okay, and click this factory reset to start the factory reset process basically, and confirm it by clicking yes. So this will delete all your basically all your data and everything. So for example, if you want to sell this watch or maybe give it to some other person, or maybe something has happened to it and something is wrong with the watch, so you can basically do a factory reset and it will reset this watch to factory state. And you will have to also connect it to your phone once more basically. Also, if you want to, maybe you have got a new phone, you can do this as well if you want to transfer it. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.